Okay, I've got an oil filter here off of an engine that was running. I actually rebuilt this engine, and what I want to do is show you a video of how to cut the can off of your filter, look inside at the element, and check for engine damage. As you can see, I've started to cut with my hacksaw right here below the top, and I'm just going to roll that around. I've got my vise adjusted. It's not really clamping the filter where I can actually roll that filter in there. You don't have to have a vise, but you'll have to have a buddy that can hold it if you don't have some way to grab it. Okay, I've got my can pretty much cut off round, and you'll have to be careful because this is sharp. But what you're going to do is work it, and that'll actually pull off of there. It's fairly thin. I might set the camera down to get it off. Okay, I've got the there she is. Alright, so if you have a brand new engine, what you're going to want to do is open that pleat up and look down to the bottom. That's where your trash will go, is down in the bottom of these pleats. You're going to be looking for brass, be looking for gold color bearing. And if you see that, you've got big problems, and you are going to have to stop and talk to your engine builder about what you're seeing, and do not start it back up until you've talked to him, because if you get brass inside there, it can only be from a few places. If you got a solid roller cam, it could be from the gear, and it may not be terrible, but 9 times out of 10 it's off of a bearing. You may have a bearing going away. You can save thousands and thousands of dollars by stopping and cutting your filter open and inspecting it just like this. And I recommend on every new engine you should do this, especially on a race car before you go to the track. Confirm that everything is copacetic.